What's up, bike people? This is Fossil Fool coming at you from Rock the Bike Workshop in San Francisco. And I'm just going to show you guys how quickly you can install the single tube download glow system on your bike. We've had kids as young as 8 do this, and so I'm sure it'll be no problem for you. Download glow comes with a light tube, battery, and a few mounting pieces. You take this one, it's got stretchy rubber straps, put it on your bike, and the strap's got lots of different holes in it, and one of them will line up to a hook on the mounting piece. You take the light tube and pop it into the X-shaped holder. There's a security strap that you can put over there, but if you lose the security strap, really, they never fall out. It's really snug. There's a piece of adhesive-backed Velcro that comes on the product. You basically line up the power driver box where you think it's going to fit well, and then you put the adhesive Velcro on there. This bike already has it, so I'm not going to show you that. Then you press the power driver against that. Take the battery. Battery's got some soft foam on there so that when you're riding on a bumpy road it doesn't fall off. Place the battery against the frame. You take this fat Velcro strap, pass it around the battery and the frame, pass the tab of the strap through this loop. Go real snug on that, it's important. Take the power connector, and when you're ready to use the product, plug it in. When you're not using the product, you can tuck this between the frame and the battery. Check to make sure that the pedals don't interfere with the wires. If they do, there's a piece of Velcro that comes with it that you can tuck the wires in, but I usually don't need to do this when I'm installing the download glow for my friends' bikes. And the last thing that you want to check is to make sure that the front tire is nowhere close to that light tube. And that's pretty much it. You can go cruising. Once you have the X-shaped clip on your bike, getting ready to go cruising is really fast. You know, come out from your cafe or come out from work to your bike, pop the light tube in, put that in, and you can go cruising.